Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change language in NVIDIA Control Panel. Let's get started. First, close NVIDIA Control Panel if it's currently open. Now, click the Windows search bar and type Registry Editor or Re-edit and open it, and allow the security prompt if it appears. Then navigate to HKey Current Users, then go to Software and NVIDIA Corporation, then NV Control Panel 2, then Client. Then right-click on the blank space on the right side, then select New, then the word, then Value. And after that, name it User Defined Local. Then double-click the new value and enter the language ID for the language you want, then click OK. Then, close Registry Editor and open NVIDIA Control Panel again, and the language should now be changed. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.